We might have a better idea at what triggered Thursday's ShakeAlert, even though no quake happened. The Berkeley Seismology Lab says the false alert was likely caused by data transmission issues at several Nevada stations. Those stations have been removed from the system for now. Dr. Angie Lux says generally, those stations had significant data gaps, and when the missing data finally came through, the algorithm mistakenly triggered. Enough stations reported these triggers that Epic grouped them into what it thought was an earthquake. The lab says they haven't seen a false alert like this before, where no real earthquake occurred. Nevada Seismic Lab and USGS both confirm there was no magnitude 5.9 quake, despite the alert reaching thousands of phones. The review continues as researchers work to understand exactly why the algorithm reacted to faulty data.